If you're looking for a winner, looking for a 10, looking for supreme, looking for a queen, just roll with me. If you're looking for a winner, looking for a 10.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make rice water for hair growth. So the first thing you'll need is a bag of rice, and I'm just using regular long grain white rice and a mason jar. Okay, so I don't use any measurements, but I did just use a measuring cup so that I could clean my rice. It's very important to me that I clean my rice before I cook it, before I use it, all of that, just to kind of remove any dirt or oils that may be from the factory. So I just pour my rice into the measuring cup. I kind of just eyeball it, and then I take it to the sink and I wash it. So I do use warm water to wash my rice, and I wash it twice. It's nothing fancy or anything. I just put a little water in there and I mix it up with my hands just to kind of loosen any dirt that may be on the rice. And yeah, so I do this twice, and then I place the rice into the mason jar. If you would like to use a strainer, if that's easier for you, you can, but I just didn't really feel like using a strainer, so I just kind of, you know, washed it this way. So once the rice is clean, I'm just pouring it into the mason jar, and I'm going to fill the rest of the jar up with water. So it's about equal parts rice and equal parts water. Also, you guys, some people complain about the smell of rice water, but if you don't like it, you can add like an essential oil, such as peppermint oil, tea tree oil, any of that to kind of get rid of the smell. But I don't use anything, like it doesn't bother me. And I do use warm water again. Don't worry about the cloudiness. That's just the nutrients releasing itself into the jar. And that's what's really going to help with the hair growth. And I allow this to sit overnight for 24 hours so that it can ferment. That's all I do, you guys. It's simple, quick, easy. And I'm going to be doing another video about how I actually use the rice water. So make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if it was helpful, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.